Are you a creative professional who uses any of these tools? Then you've got to join us at Creative Pro Week, June 2nd through the 6th in Phoenix, Arizona. It's the how-to conference for leveling up your skills and overcoming creative challenges. Each of our sessions is presented by world-class experts, sharing practical, real-world techniques to help you work faster, smarter, and happier. But Creative Pro Week is about so much more than just the amazing sessions. It's where you'll meet your people, the ones who get it, who speak your language and face the same challenges with the same passion. It's basically a massively good time filled with great people, loads of learning, and no egos. If you want the knowledge, confidence, and competitive edge to succeed in today's fast-paced design world, join us at Creative Pro Week 2025. Grab your pass now at creativeproweek.com and we'll see you in Phoenix.